All right, Paul Davenport from Boast AI
Hello.
here. I am at the M2M booth here at SaaS North 2025. Miriam from our team is actually doing a demo right now. So that's why we have a shaky camera. She's usually my camera person. But Ashok, how's it going? Tell me about the event. How's it been? What are you looking forward to?
Yeah, SaaS North has been a great conference here. Already a lot of energy, connecting with a lot of groups. Invest Ottawa, we have connected with a few different companies as well. We are demonstrating a couple of AI tools which we have put together for specifically for this conferences. Like we want to make sure we connect with few of the clients here. So that's exactly what we are doing. AI opportunity scanner. That's for any incubator, non-profit type of companies who wants to use that as a service tool for their clients. So that's something we are using here. We have put together a sales roadmap tool for anyone at like VP of sales type of persona. So that's something which we are showcasing. But then obviously we have our own framework, AI framework, which helps businesses with doing their own AI insights. So either it could be through MCP related augmentation, or it could be RAG by connecting their system and tools. So that's something which we have been building for quite some time.
That's awesome.
Which powers some agentic AI related creation and whatnot. So all of that is there. Obviously, we specialize in edge AI. So we are the AI in a box. Private AI, sovereign AI. So that's something which we enable. So the couple of tools initially I talked about is specifically something which we put together for the SaaS North itself.
That's awesome. So again, AI at the edge. That's something we really want to emphasize here too. It's secure and it's something that's not going to be exposed. Is that kind of like the value add? And tell me a little bit more about the solution.
Yeah, we are trying to work with some defense related clients for that. So essentially, there are two major scenarios, right? So one is private AI, obviously the sovereignty part of it. So your data sovereignty is preserved as part of that. So essentially, you can do on-prem AI inferencing, data processing, whatnot. So however secure you, how much ever secure you want it to be, it can be as secure, right? So definitely that's one part of it. And then so the use cases are like public sector, where healthcare, where people don't want to put their private data into tools like ChatGPT, right? So that's the first use case. And obviously there are other use cases like latency. Think about scenarios like mining, where the cloud connectivity might not be that reliant or maritime, right? So those type of situations where people still want to use AI, the cloud connectivity is not that great. They can use solutions like on-prem AI, right?
Yeah.
So that's what our solutions enable. So yeah.
All right, so it's got all the efficiencies of AI, but the effectiveness and also security of having a private solution and something that you guys can actually customize to your personal needs, which is fantastic. I love that you guys are doing that because I think that's the name of the game right now. AI is everywhere, but actually useful AI is what we need to be focusing on.
Yeah,
And again,
responsible AI, sovereign AI is
Yes.
actually something a Canadian government is prioritizing.
Absolutely.
Right? So TELUS is, I'm pretty sure you might have heard about that. TELUS is coming out with their AI factory, right? So Cohere is having partnership with different entities to make sure the LLMs, what they create, is adopted all across Canada. So we have been partnered with Scale AI, the AI superclusters, for delivering their technical accelerator program, helping lots of small businesses. So we want to connect with different enterprises who have the needs, right? So that's why we are putting together tools which small businesses, enterprises can adopt, because we also have upskilling related grants through Upskill Canada. So we can do B2B AI training. So we have a whole suite of AI adoption tools, and when it comes to deployment, we have a whole suite of tools as well. So that's how we connect the whole ecosystem.
I love it. So again, it's efficient, it's secure, and it helps companies actually at the enterprise level and all the above use AI to their best benefit and none of the kind of pitfalls that you hear about from AI that can happen on the open LLM. Have you? Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Ashok, this is fantastic, and this is exactly the kind of funding opportunity too. I love that you're taking advantage of the different grants and the different programs. You're a Boast customer, so you're all about Shred, but this is exactly what Canada wants to see. We want to be driving AI that can be effective and make people drive efficiencies. So that's so cool.
Well said. Yeah, we have been attending a conference called Source Canada. So it's a by Canadian movement. I also observed that the Canadian government has allocated some dedicated budget for SMBs to showcase their solutions so that bigger players can buy from them. So it's a very good initiative in my opinion. So I think we need more of this.
Absolutely, yeah. And I mean, we're very bogged down in all the like government funding of it all. But again, Quebec, I'm thinking about that. They are very focused on the CDAA, which is going to actually give that entitlement and that R&D credit to people who are doing the AI and integrating that into their systems. At the federal level too, we got the Parliament right behind us. They're actually going to be funding more of that too. They have adjusted their programs and they've refined them so that they're going to give the people who are driving AI innovation the funding they deserve. So it's fantastic, and we're so happy again that you're part of our ecosystem, that you're our neighbor here at SAS North, and Ashok, this has been fantastic.
Yeah, Boast is a great partner for us. Thank you so much for the spotlight.
Thank you so much.